हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई एम महेंद्र कापड़ी। वेलकम टू माय चैनल। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को आखिरी तक ज़रूर देखिए। दोस्तों, और टुडेज़ टॉपिक इज़ रिलेवेंट टू द यूथ। ये टॉपिक उन सभी के लिए रिलेवेंट है जो अपना करियर चालू करना चाहते हैं या वो मिड-20s में और अपना करियर ऑलरेडी चालू कर चुके हैं। फ्रेंड्स, मुझे काफ़ी मेरे दोस्त मिलते हैं, काफ़ी यूथ मिलता है जो पूछता है कि वेदर दे शुड स्टार्ट देयर करियर विद अ जॉब और वेदर दे शुड स्टार्ट देयर करियर विद एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप। सो आई थॉट लेट्स मेक अ डिटेल्ड वीडियो ऑन दिस। दोस्तों, बिफोर गेटिंग स्टार्टेड आई लाइक टू गिव अ डिस्क्लेमर दैट ये कोई मोटिवेशनल या एंटरटेनमेंट वीडियो नहीं है, तो वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी हो सकती है और आई वुड बी टॉकिंग फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस and from the both aspects of job and entrepreneurship from the neutral, that is plus and minus side as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video. So दोस्तों, इस वीडियो को मैं 4 सेगमेंट में डिवाइड करूँगा: वेग आइडियोलॉजी, जॉब, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड द वे आउट। और फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज वेग आइडियोलॉजी। दोस्तों, आपने काफ़ी सारे लोगों से सुना होगा, खास करके मोटिवेशन स्पीकर से सुना होगा कि क्विट द rat race, don't do the 9 to 5 job. Bill Gates was a dropout, Mark Zuckerberg was a dropout. Oh, you can be a millionaire, you can be a billionaire, you can be an entrepreneur and you don't have to work for anybody. आप जो चाहिए वो कर सकते हैं। आपने बहुत से मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर से या बहुत से यूट्यूब चैनल से, बहुत से इंस्टाग्राम इन्फ्लुएंसर से ये सुना होगा, लेकिन ये सारे लोग कहते हैं, लेकिन इसमें से कितने लोग आपको बताते हैं कैसे किया जा सकता है? तो इसके लिए मैं कहता हूँ कि ये सब वेग आइडियोलॉजी है और यही हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे हमारे आने वाले 2 टॉपिक्स में, यानी जॉब और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। सेकंड, जॉब। दोस्तों, अगर आप मिड-20s में आप जस्ट ए कॉलेज पास आउट है और इफ़ यू हैव नो क्लू where to go and what to get started with, so job can be a good option because job offers you something like learning and earning as well. In my case, in 2009 when I passed out from electrical engineering, so I had no clue what to do, but I got placed from the campus interview. So in my company was offering me, I was a trainee engineer for a year और कंपनी मुझे पे भी कर रही थी और एट द सेम टाइम मैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लर्न भी कर रहा था। और इस आने वाले 1 या 2 सालों में कंपनी ने मुझे काफ़ी सारे ट्रेनिंग्स में पुश किया, जिसकी वजह से मैं काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें लर्न कर पाया। सेकेंड इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ जॉब ऑफर्स यू अ सेंस ऑफ कंफर्ट and the security, most importantly the financial security. Third, rather than seeing yourself as a slave, you can see yourself as a business partner. In my company, I never saw myself as a slave or working below someone because I was willing to take the initiatives, I was willing to take the responsibility. My bosses were also very kind and helpful to me. They used to support me to take the decisions, to even they helped me in case I made few mistakes. So I believe that rather than seeing yourself as a slave, you can see yourself as a strong brand. Fourth, you can be a one skill expert and still you can earn well and live a good life. For example, you have a degree in finance or if you have a degree in a design, so you can work for next 10, 20, 30, 40 years and make your expertise, get a proficient in it, and you can earn literally handsome amount and you can grow in your career as well as in your finances. Fifth, and the most important thing is, if you're new and if you have no clue about what your strength is, what your vision, whether you want to start with any business or something like that, starting with a job can give you organized as well as structured life, because you will wake up at some time, you travel, you will meet people, you go to job and you will come back. So even though that may look like a rat race, but it gives you a kind of structure. Like it been said that empty mind goes on eating, or empty mind is a devil's place. So in the initial years, if you have no clue about your strength or whether to go in any particular direction, getting started with job is always the good option. Sixth, and the most important thing is, job offers you a balance between your work, your family and a hobby. For example, if you are interested or passionate about dancing, singing or acting or maybe in cooking, but you have to manage your finances as well, in that case job can be a good option. So it can help you to manage your finances, and in the remaining time, let's say after 6 to 10, you can pursue your hobby. You can take the help of the finances that you are getting from the job, utilize in your passion, and after a while when you get a good, independent and prudent, you can quit the job and you can make a career in your hobby. So those two, to summarize, I'd like to say job is always comfortable, safe and instantly rewarding. And if you ask any entrepreneur or any motivational speaker, if you really ask them very honestly, they would say that they started their careers with the job, they earn a good amount of money, they gathered the good amount of skill, and after all, when they become financially prudent and very strong to take the decisions, they quit their job and jumped into entrepreneurship. So let's move on to the entrepreneurship. In order to get started with entrepreneurship, you must be passionate about creating a kind of a product or a service. Your aim can be anything. It can be earning a lot of money, it can be creating a name, it can be creating a legacy, but you have to be passionate and focused about creating something. दोस्तों एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्किल. फॉर एग्जांपल आप कोई बिजनेस के साथ स्टार्ट कर रहे हो या कोई पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में आप एंटर कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू बी अ काइंड ऑफ वन मैन एंटरप्राइज, अ सोलोप्रेन्योर फॉर एटलीस्ट इन द बिगिनिंग फ्यू ईयर्स. वेयर एज इन कंपेयर टू द जॉब, आप एक कोई पर्टिकुलर फील्ड में काम करके भी आप अपना लिवलीहुड या अपना करियर को ग्रो कर सकते हो. बट इन केस ऑफ एनी बिजनेस, फॉर एग्जांपल बिजनेस में काफ़ी सारे डिपार्टमेंट होते हैं, सेल्स, marketing, finance, customer service, HR. So in the initial years of your business, either you have to hire people, and if you don't have any finances, you have to be multi-skilled in order to manage at least 3 or 4 branches of your business. So this is one of the major difference between the job or the entrepreneurship, and this is where majority of the people starting from the job make a mistake, that they just see the glittering side of the entrepreneurship, that is about money and a fame and a legacy, but they forget to acquire the skills when they are working. Third, friends, in entrepreneurship you have to be self-disciplined, organized and self-motivated. Friends, in job someone is always sitting on your head to get your job done, but in entrepreneurship you are solely responsible for producing everything. Nobody is going to push you, nobody is going to motivate you, nobody is going to ask you whether you have done this. So you have to motivate yourself, you have to be very organized, you have to discipline to get the tasks done. So in entrepreneurship it's necessary to have a strong work ethic, thick skin and ability to handle the failures, because entrepreneurship is all about the journey. You would be making a lot of mistakes, you would be going through a lot of failures, and you won't be in job. Even if you make mistakes or you come across any failures, the company is going to pay for that. And I mean means even if you're working on a project, let's say you're working for a project for a 1 month, and if you fail to acquire that project, still company is going to pay for you for that month. But in entrepreneurship or any kind of a business, let's say you work on a project for 6 months, or somehow you deliver the project but your client is not happy with the work you produce, so either he won't pay you or he would pay you partially. So in that case, all ownership comes on you. So you have to be very be strong enough to go through the failures and accept the roadblocks which are coming across in your journey. अगला important point इज़ अबाउट वर्किंग आवर्स. दोस्तों, मैंने काफ़ी मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर्स से और काफ़ी इन्फ्लुएंसर्स से, काफ़ी यूट्यूब चैनल से एक बात सुनी है कि जॉब में आपको 9 to 5 वर्क करना होता है, जॉब में आप स्लेव होते हो. जब आप कोई बिज़नेस या एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में उतरते हो तो आप आपके खुद के टाइम के अपरेट से काम कर सकते हो, आपको कोई पूछने वाला नहीं होता है. दोस्तों, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये काफ़ी बेवकूफ़ भरी सलाह है और काफ़ी वेग ओपिनियन है, क्योंकि जॉब में आप एटलीस्ट 9 to 5 वर्क करके आप आपका रिमेनिंग टाइम आपके फैमिली या आपके हॉबी के लिए दे सकते हैं. लेकिन कोई भी बिजनेस में एटलीस्ट इनिशियल 3 to 5 ईयर्स आपको ऐसे बहुत से दिन आएंगे जहाँ पे आपको आपके वर्किंग आवर्स से बियॉन्ड काम करना होगा. मे बी इनिशियली कुछ सालों तक आपको 12 से 14 घंटा भी काम करना पड़ सकता है, अगर आप उतने पैशनेट हो और आपको आपका बिजनेस को लिटरली एक सक्सेसफुल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाना है. तो दोस्तों, मैंने पहले भी कहा है कि जॉब इज़ ऑलवेज सेफ, comfortable and rewarding, but entrepreneurship is not like that. Entrepreneurship is kind of a double-edged sword, I would say. Whether you can see the perks, but you always have to bear the failures as well as mistakes and losses as well. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आपको हमेशा ऑलवेज एज पे रहना होता है. जैसे कि आज के करंट कोविड सिनेरियो में आप देख सकते हैं कि काफ़ी सारे बिजनेसेस को काफ़ी हेवी लॉसेस हो रहे हैं, इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेंट, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एम्प्लॉयर्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्शन एंड सो ऑन. सो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हमेशा आपको एज पे होना होता है, और कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंज, कोई भी पॉलिटिकल चेंज, कोई भी फाइनेंशियली चेंज से आपको गुजरना होता है, और आपको उतने प्रॉम्प्टली चेंज होकर आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, आपके बिजनेस को सेव करना होता है। सो दोस्तों, अगर किसी को अपनी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जर्नी चालू करनी है तो उसे एटलीस्ट 4 चीज़ों के बारे में सोचना चाहिए। या उसके पास कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग या यूनिक प्रोडक्ट है, या उसके पास कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग या यूनिक सर्विस आइडिया है, या उसके पास कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ है, या उसके पास कोई स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन है। सो दोस्तों, इन ऑर्डर टू समराइज मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज़ ऑल अबाउट हाई रिस्क, हाई वर्क एंड हाई रिवॉर्ड। और सभी को एक ध्यान में रखना चाहिए कि कोई भी बिजनेस या कोई भी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की जर्नी कैन एटलीस्ट बी अ डिकेड लॉन्ग एक्सपीरियंस। मतलब आपको स्टार्ट करने से एक सक्सेसफुल या कोई वेल्दी और एक कोई फेमस एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने तक 10 साल भी लग सकते हैं। और इन ऑर्डर टू गेट स्टार्टेड यू नीड टू हैव एनी स्ट्रॉन्ग आइडिया, स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोडक्ट और समथिंग काइंड ऑफ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग डिटर्मिनेशन दैट वेदर आई विल डू और डाई बट आई विल नॉट गो बैक। Friends, rather than listening to anyone or getting influenced by any motivational speaker or anyone around you, I request you to ask yourself only one question. What do you want? What are your hobbies? What are your values? What are your interests? What are your ideals? What really makes you happy? It can be anything. It can be art. It can be a particular kind of education. It can be a particular kind of a business. So let me give my personal example. I started my career in 2009, and in 2016-17 I decided to explore myself and do something on my own. So I started planning in order to quit my job and getting started. Friends, honestly, I'm not an entrepreneur. I have to figure out what I really have to do, and I'm exploring my options. So friends, rather than listening from anybody here and there, I request you to ask yourself, dig deeper and take the inventory of your thoughts. What do you want? What really makes you happy? Working for a company or working for someone is not a bad thing. You have to ask yourself what really makes you happy. If you're not satisfied in your job, you don't feel belonging to your profession, then it's always good to quit and find what you really like, what you really want to be. I have my many friends who are working in a company, but they're really happy with their jobs. So if you really want to start your journey into entrepreneurship, I would suggest you simple things such as always have the hands-on experience of the business you're entering with. Learn new skills, try to put your knowledge into application. Always have a bunch of supporters with you, have a monetary support and people around you. If possible, try to work parallel for a while. Let's say if you're entering into any business or kind of any venture, try to work in that industry for at least a year or two while working your job, so you can understand about the finances, about the tools, about the skills you're going to need. So friends, in order to summarize, I would like to say, whether you want to job or whether you want to jump into entrepreneurship, you have to see everything as at least a decade long journey. If you work in any job for 10 years, you're going to have a wonderful, fabulous career. And if you're starting with entrepreneurship, you have to persist for at least 10 years. So friends, this is all about whether to choose a job or whether to go on with the entrepreneurship. I've tried to be very much honest. I tried to share everything from my learning and my job experience. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you really find this video relevant and useful, please share with your friends and the loved ones and help me reach the 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.